Hi, I'm Emma and I'll show you how you can use our in-app video player in Mobius. From our experience, we've seen that modeling your own products can be quite challenging, and for that reason we're trying our best to help you model your products. And one feature that we have introduced now to do so is an in-app video player in Mobius. You can find this video player in the bottom right on the workspace home. And how it works is that here we have a list of videos that you can use to solve your problems. So for example, let's say that I'm modeling a product and I'm searching for electricity data sets, but there's just so much choice and I don't really know what to do. So I'm gonna see if there's a video available for that. Here we actually have one, so I can click on that one and then it will just immediately appear on the screen in Mobius. So that's super convenient. And what I can now do is I can drag this video and move it somewhere on the screen so that I can watch it better. I can increase the size by using the right bottom corner of the video, and I can also decrease it if I want. And what's really nice is you can just watch part of the video, then pause it, for example, and navigate to another page in Mobius. So for example, if I was modeling this product right here and I needed to watch this video and now I can move on with my model, I can just do that and maybe drag the video to the bottom right corner where it's not disturbing me and I can just work freely. And if I need it again, I can just drag it back up and start playing again. And I can close it when I'm done. So in this video, I've shown you how you can use the picture-in-picture video player in Mobius. Hopefully this helps you model your products. If you have more questions, reach out to us via the chat or check out our Help Center, online academy or YouTube account. And good luck modeling your own product footprint.